What's going on, YouTube? Here with a barber back here with a restoration. Air restoration raid. Pretty much one of my buddies wanted me to fix a pair of his air raids. You see the condition on them, highly yellowed. Dirty toe box. Dirty crisscross string. Just kind of get into it. Just overall shape kind of just not really all that intact. Kind of turn on some light. Frayed hairs everywhere. Around here kind of looks old, kind of worn. Leather kind of dirty. Needs to be clean. Toe box dirty. But that's finished. That's a restoration done for you that fast. Before, after. So, turn this off first. Let you really get this chance to see them. Everything's clean. Hair raids intact. All the white's been painted fresh. And I'll turn the light off because I know a couple guys say that it looks glossy, but that's just because of the light, I swear. What? Toe box. Alright. Yeah. I know y'all think like, man, them shits is glossy. But nah, that's like I said, that's really just because of the light in my phone, man. It flashes fucking bright, but there go another picture of the toe box. This side of the shoe. So you can see it, man. This shit's not glossy like that, man. It's like factory gloss. So, air raids, man. Brought back. Let me know what you think, YouTube. Fresh to death. Peace.